Hey guys, welcome to another episode on Kind Spirit Tech. Now we are going to talk about indices. So why you need indices for? Well, imagine that you are dealing with some huge document with a lot of keywords or definitions. You are going to need some kind of table where you are going to store your reference from your keyword to actual page where that keyword is described or contained. That is exactly why we need indices for. So in order to use them, you are going to import package, use package, make IDX, and in order to use them, you are going to run command make index. And by the way, I'm using document from our previous episode, and now we are going to write some paragraphs in here for testing purposes. Okay, and in order to create index, you are going to use a command index like this, and you are going to provide actual keyword that you want to reference. Like this. I'm going to copy this paragraph. So now I'm going to change this into Latex. In here too. Let's put our paragraph in multiple places, like this. And one more. Technology. Like this. And now what we need. Only one thing is left, and that is to actual print those indices out. But I'm going to move this paragraph from part to actual section. Because we already have appendices, I'm going to use this place. So I'm going to add contents line, and we are going to add line to table of content. Level, it's going to be chapter, and actual entry index. And in order to print our indices to the screen, we are going to use command print index. Save it, and let's see what we have. You see, we have index page on page number 9. Let us check that. So indices and Latex should be on page number 3. Let us check that. So page number 3. So indices and Latex. What else we have? Knowledge on page number 4. Number 4, knowledge. And page number 6, technology. Let us check that. Technology, yes. So guys, this is all for this episode. If you like this content, please subscribe and see ya.